How to create a simple digital glitch transition in Premiere Pro. Creating a simple digital glitch transition in Premiere Pro is very easy and you don't need to download any plugins for it. First, you need two clips to use for the transition. Then, create an adjustment layer and place it in the middle of the two clips. Ensure that the adjustment layer's length is 7 frames for the best effect. Next, add a plugin by searching for VR Digital Glitch in the effects panel and add it to the adjustment layer. Also, add a levels plugin to the adjustment layer. To create the effect, make some keyframes. First, create a keyframe for master amplitude in the beginning and set the value to 0. Create another keyframe in the middle and set the value to 100. And make a keyframe at the end with the value of 0. Now we need to create keyframes for color distance. Create a keyframe at the beginning with the value of 50. In the middle, create a keyframe with the value of 100. And make another keyframe at the end with the value of 50. Now we need to create keyframes for geometry distortion X. Create a keyframe at the beginning with the value of 0. Create another keyframe in the middle with the value of 100. And the last keyframe at the end with a value of 0. Now create a keyframe for distortion rate at the beginning with a value of 50. In the middle, create another keyframe with the value of 70. And make the last keyframe at the end with a value of 50. Finally, now we need to create keyframes for the levels effect. Create a keyframe in the beginning for RGB white input level with the value of 255. Create in the middle a keyframe with the value of 120. And make the last keyframe at the end with a value of 255. By the way, make sure that you will make all the keyframes easy for the best effect. There we go. So as you can see, we have created a very nice and simple digital glitch transition in Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.